So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome, Bombini. I'm Gleens, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a perfect cuticle application, but this time with glitter, you guys. Yes, and I will also show you how to get that fade ombre effect with glitters. So I really hope you will like this video and you will learn something. But before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my Instagram, my TikTok and my Facebook. Show me some love. I will put them in the description box below so you can go and check them out, and then come back and watch this video. Okay, so I'm using this neon glitter from Young Nails. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below, and I've mixed it with some clear acrylic, and now I'm applying a thin layer of clear acrylic. And as you guys know, if you have seen my video of how to apply acrylic near the cuticle area, I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. I always put a thin layer of clear acrylic. This is to prevent lifting or to prevent any staining of the color. I've already got the excess cuticle off, and this is so you can get as close as you can to the cuticle. I have a video on that. I will also put that video in the description box below. So it's really important to get your old skin and old acrylic off and your cuticle area properly prepped, so you can get as close as you can to the cuticle. But I will link that video in the description box below. And I'm applying that thin layer also near to the cuticle area, and next I will be using the glitter also near the cuticle area. So next I'm using the glitter that I've mixed with some clear acrylic. I didn't mix that much with that much clear acrylic because I didn't want the glitter to be transparent. I wanted it to be opaque, and so it could cover the whole nail. Normally I will go in with a little bit of the raw glitter, but because this glitter is very fine, I just wanted to mix it with a little bit of clear acrylic. So as you can see, I'm just putting it in the cuticle area, and make sure that your brush is flat at the tip, because you will have to use your tip of the brush to like press the glitters into the cuticle area. You will see that in the next nail how I did that. Okay, so as you can see, I don't put it directly on the cuticle area. I put it a little bit further, and now I'm using the tip of the brush to press the glitter into the cuticle area. And as you can see, I always put the finger downwards so the glitter can go downwards and don't level itself and get into the cuticle area. So put your finger downwards so the acrylic can like leak downwards, and then you will go in with your tip of the brush and like press the glitter into the cuticle area as close as you can. So on the other nails, I'm doing a ombre nail. I'm doing the same thing with my light salmon. I'm putting it a little further off the cuticle and use the tip of the brush to dab, press the acrylic into the cuticle area, also pointing downwards. And I'm using the light salmon only on the nail bed, and at the tip of the nails I will be using the glitter that I've mixed with clear acrylic, and I will put that on the tip of the nail and like smoosh it with the tip of the nail, like make that transition. If you can see, I'm going in now with the glitter. Yes, I'm going in with the glitter, I'm putting it, and then I'm using the tip of the brush to like smooth it into over the light salmon or the cover pink, any color that you're going to use. The light salmon I don't have currently available because our web shop is offline, so you can use the cover pink from Young Nails, any cover pink that you have, and like just placing it where you think it's nice and make that beautiful transition until you're happy with it. And I'm doing all the nails, and after I did all the nails so the glitter is dry, I will go back in with a clear acrylic and cover the whole entire nail. Okay, so now I'm encapsulating the whole entire nail with some clear acrylic. Okay, you guys, if you're still here watching with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate each of you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing, and if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know by commenting a sun emoji in the comments below so I know that you're still here making some neon summer color ombre nails with me. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is how the nails look after application, and as you guys know, application is key, so you don't have to file that much. I'm going in with my medium grit bit to file and smooth down the nails. As I promised, I will be making a video for you guys on how to shape the nails. Be pending, I will make a video for you guys. Now I'm just smoothing the nails down, and after that I'm using my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area. So now I'm getting into the cuticle area with my tapered bit, and next I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. This is how the nails look after filing, buffing, and cleaning the nails. And next I'm using the Cakes Ink Nail Gel Top Coat, and I will cure that for 2 minutes on my LED lamp just to make sure that it's completely dry, and then I will apply some cuticle oil and you will see the final result in a minute. So this is the final result, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have learned something. It's pretty easy, but you have to just practice and just know and learn some little tips and tricks that can help you. So yeah, you guys, let me know in the comments below what you think about this set. this was the end of the video. I really hope you've liked it. I really hope you've learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Turn on your post notification bell so you're the first one to know when I post on Wednesday, Friday, and on Sunday. If you recreate a set, don't forget to tag me on Instagram so I can see your recreations. Yes. Go ahead and enter my giveaway if you're not entered yet. Don't forget, I will put them in the description box below. And yeah, guys, I will see you. Oh, share this video with everybody, with your family and friends, so we can get more subscribers, so we can go do more giveaways. Yes, you guys, thank you so much for subscribing and to supporting this channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.